Hello everyone, my name is Eve Young, and today I'm going to show you my project of a minimalist command line to-do list, which is developed to help you to manage and access all your tasks in a certain to-do list without tedious pointing or clicking action. And all you need is your keyboard. So let's start a quick demo. In order to run this program, we need to call Python to do .py in your terminal. And let's start from the help function. When you keep in --help, it will bring you a list of all different commands. We have add to add certain tasks, and to mark the due date, set a priority level, or making a query with a certain keywords, and also list all the incompleted tasks, or report all tasks, or delete one task, or mark one as done. Now let's do a quick demo. Let's do --add a grocery run and the due date of June the 15th, 2023, and we'll leave the priority level, so it will be a default of 1. Okay, so when you click on return, the task 1 will be created. Now let's add more tasks to our to-do list. Let's see, visit my friend. This will do June the 11th. And the priority level should be 2. Okay, add one more, like visit my parents as well, which is due on the same day, but the priority level should be higher, which is 3. And then add one more. Let's do watch latest episode of Ted Lasso, which is a great show. And there's no due date for this one, but the priority level should be 2 as well. Okay, now let's bring up the list for all those incomplete tasks. Let's do --list, and as you will see, we have a table here showing all the tasks we just added, and also it will be sorted based on the emergency, like the due date. The closer the due date is, the like the task will be on the top, very top of this table, and when the due date are the same, it will be ranked again based on the priority level. Oops. Now let's try the other function, which is making a query. Let's do --query, and we want to check on any tasks that includes the words might. Okay, so now the table was filtered to only show the tasks with my as the keywords. And also, we could do delete function. For example, if we don't want to visit friends again, which is task number 2, we could just do delete 2. Now let's bring up the list again. And okay, now no more visiting your friends. And then we can do done, which is marking some certain items as done. Let's mark the grocery run as finished, completed. And also we can do down for with your parents. Okay, And also there's error prevention. So currently if you do down 2, it will tell you there's no more Visiting Your Friends task 2 in your to-do list right now. Okay, so let's bring up the list again. So currently the only completed task is number 4, which the lasso. If you wanted to check on all tasks, both the incompleted and the completed one, you can just do -- report, and here you are. You have a more comprehensive brackets on all the items, like Visiting Your Friend, which was created on this day and completed, and also for grocery run, the creation date and the completion date, and also for the Ted Lasso one, which is created but incompleted at this point. Also, all the data records in this application will be stored persistently with the help of Python's Pickle module. So if we turn off the terminal and open it up again later and run the program again and check on the report, report, everything will be here and you won't lose any track of your to-do list. Okay, so that's pretty much everything about this command line to-do list application. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have any question on the code implementation, or you have any great idea or suggestions on any improvements on this application. Feel free to leave comments below and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.